Coming soon. Ready? Oh, it's coming. Thank you. It's very nice to Is that a bus? Oh my, that guy. Ay, ay, ay. Huh? Can't believe it. Did you see that? Coming. There's coming. There's one coming. There's one coming. Wow, he's having fun up there.
Yeah, he's chill.
Yeah. He's having fun.
We've met people in the streets a bunch of times.
Never been inside to Food Emporium.
It still exists. There used to be Shopwell or something.
Is that the same with the?
Like another chains of food emporium. And that probably died off.
Is that the same with Morton Williams? Kind of the same, huh? I thought I saw the bus. No. The other one there. So you should not be complacent because this morning it was hot. Now it's getting cold. Oh, where are you going?
Upper West Side.
Oh yeah, 104. You were waiting for 104 too. The code is here.
40406. Minuto.
Oh,
Dos
dos minutos. Oh yeah.
Minuto. Muy grato.
Ah, we've been here for more than
Cerca.
20 minutes.
20 minutes for 2 minutes? 2 goes.
Yeah, no. We've been here for
Oh,
So-
oh.
so.
So it's good I came. So it's 2 minutes.
I can see it.
Good, that's good. Then it's good then.
Yeah.
And then,
But it seems like they are still in 42nd. Ah, no.
no, it can't be 2 minutes.
Yeah, that's 42nd over there.
Yeah. Where are you from? De donde es?
Philippines?
Oh, really? Oh, I have a friend in the Philippines. He invites me, and I want to go, but
Where?
I don't know, and I'm a little worried about him because we were writing during the pandemic, and then all of a sudden I haven't heard from him.
Uh-oh.
So I'm a little upset, actually.
Yeah.
He's so sweet, and he lives here, and then he got stuck there because of the what happened.
Oh.
So
Uh-oh.
he couldn't leave.
Oh my.
So he's there probably. I hope.
Then
he's
you don't hear
okay.
from him anymore.
No, I have to write him again. He's really sweet, and I want to go. I just not now, but at this time of But I want to find out what happened to him because I just get really weird, with the life, how life is now, and it's so far away. And we were writing each other, and then all of a sudden I didn't hear from him anymore.
But does he has any family here?
I don't know his family or friends or anything. I just know him.
Wow.
I know. Every time I think of the Philippines, I'm thinking, 'cause he
Like
got stuck because he was going
yeah,
back,
but
visiting.
the COVID thing, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
He was going back, he goes back, visits and stuff. He lives here. So he left, and then they like to stay a while because it's so far, but not this long.
Yeah. What happened? We don't know.
I don't know, but a lot of people, got stuck in different places during that.
Yeah.
I just went to Atlantic City, so
You came from Atlantic City?
no. This is from my studio.
Ah.
My studio's a
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
But I'm gonna.
Yeah.
I find it very rude. And I wouldn't even want to hear it if I was in the car. I'd pay him to turn it off. So my studio's here on 50th and 9th, but I'm going to give it up, I think.
What are you doing? Your studio.
I'm an artist,
Oh, okay.
and but I'm doing some more pieces. I just published a book.
What book?
I'll show you. I'll give you my card. It's called Essence of an Artist.
Oh wow.
Follow Your Dream. And I got 4 book awards. I don't know how,
Oh.
but I did. And I'm doing it in Spanish and Arabic.
Oh. So
yeah.
you
I'm
thank you.
doing it in Spanish and Arabic now. So I really haven't launched it yet, but it's on Amazon. And the ebook, Arab, all the Spanish ebook and the Arabic ebook are on Amazon. But the Amazon will have the Spanish soon. They don't do the ebook. They don't do the book in Arabic. But I have the other one that does Ingram Spark, and then I can have it at Barnes and Noble.
Oh, nice.
Here it comes. Is that the 104? Yeah, great. See?
No, it's
bad.
not in service.
Not in service.
That's terrible. Yeah, that's the one. Because 3 minutes.
Anyway, so my book, since I have my book now and my documentary, you can sign on my website. You can see my documentary for free. You can see my Creative
Loren
Bubbles. I do this thing called Creative Bubbles, and then I did an audio book, flipping book pages, art pages. So when you look at the audio flipping book art pages, you see artwork and shot and scenes from my documentary as you're listening to the book. So and music. Now I do have it with ACX, which is the biggest audio company, but they had limitations. I felt that I didn't really like, but I did it because it's ACX, you know, and they're connected to Amazon. But the audiobook has no music. They don't want music, and maybe some people don't like it, but it's very soft. It's not loud music. It's like harp.
It's calming.
Yeah,
kind of.
very calming. Yes, very calming. And I'm going to see what the next bus is. Yeah, and my one friend, she goes, "Oh, I love listening to your audiobook. It's so calming."
So do you do podcast?
Sorry,
Podcast?
forecast? No,
No, you don't.
I'm not an astrologist. No.
No, I mean the podcast, you know, like about art, something like that.
Oh, no. It's just about my work, and I'm going to put this in again.
Yeah.
Let's see.